in your opinion, what are a few ways that we can monetize our
There's so many different ways. And I think that's where it's so fun to be creative about earning income online. And once you figure out like how to make a little money online, you can't stop seeing opportunities, which is really neat. So like I'll give you a few examples of just things that come to mind for me. The simple one is digital courses. Other ones are things like cohort-based coaching programs, where you invite a group of students in for a cohort or a group. I have a product called the monthly templates, where I actually send out 5 fill in the blank Twitter and LinkedIn contents that people can use to scale their writing. I charge $9 a month. In 45 days, it's a $9,000 a month product. I also go through and say things like, here's 50 posts of mine that are my top 50 posts. I find that in a piece of software, send that to somebody in Upwork, turn it into an ebook, sell it. Like there's so many different ways to make money online. And I take an approach I call sort of like this diversified entrepreneurs approach, where it's not like, don't find one, find 5 or find one, double down on it, get really good at it, add a second, add a third, add a fourth, add a fifth. Because when you have a diversified approach to entrepreneurship, you're like a venture capitalist, right? You're not making one bet on one startup. You're making many, many bets and hoping that one big one pays off.